Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Matt here from myrawintuition.com. I just want to show you guys what I am having for dinner tonight. Another big salad here made up of spring mix, some baby bok choy, and romaine lettuce. I've also got some cherry and grape tomatoes in there. I've got some daikon radish, some bloomed wild rice, a few sunflower seeds, and some sauerkraut. And the dressing is 1/3 cup of hemp seeds, 1/2 lemon, about a teaspoon of brown ground mustard, and 1/2 cup of water. So really simple dressing, guys, and super delicious. So that's what I'm having. I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday afternoon, and I will catch you next time. Always follow your raw intuition.